How's it going, everybody? My name is Thomas Draven, back again for another video, and in this one we are going to be taking a look at the Grand Classics Satin Clay. As with all of these videos, I always want to point out that the people over at Grand Classics actually sent me these products, sent me their clay and their cream pomade, and I will be looking at this in a future video, but really cool of them to send these out, and we'll see how they work in this video. So my hair is damp as per usual. Just going to take my black Kraken tonic and apply it, blow dry my hair until it's about 90% dry, then we're going to come back and look at the product. Here we go. Alright, hair is about 90% dry. We're going to take a look at the Grand Classics Grooming Company Satin Clay. Looking at the packaging design, I definitely dig it. It's sort of patterned after like old-timey race cars, which, you know, if you're a dude, like, who doesn't love a good old-timey looking car? And on the back you have, you know, directions for use, as well as like the level of hold and shine. This, in terms of hold, is what looks to be 4 wrenches out of 5, and the shine is 1 wrench out of 5. Opening up the product, it looks like a pretty average sort of clay in terms of color, but it looks very interesting in terms of like the finish on top. It's kind of hard to pick it up on camera, but it looks very smooth, and so I'm very interested to see how this works in my hair. In terms of scent, I can't really pick anything up besides a slight bit of spiciness, just because I'm a little congested, so I can't really comment on the scent at the minute, but from what I remember smelling it before I got sick, it smells pretty good, and that's always a good sign. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out a scoop. Alright, so we're gonna start off with about that much. The scoop was actually darn near effortless. It's a bit thick, but once it gets into the hands, it breaks down like a dream. Now we have it emulsified and we're going to apply. Alright, so the clay is applied. There is a slight bit of waxiness to it, but there's also an additional amount of smoothness that kind of counteracts any sort of waxiness in there, so there really is no tug and pull to speak of. Just going to finish off the style here with my blow dryer, and we're going to look at the final result when we're done. Alright, style is complete and everything styled very nicely, very easily. The product has a nice sort of stickiness to it that really aids in styling and keeping everything together, especially since I have been slicking my hair more straight back than over to the side. I definitely need a product that's going to sort of bridge it together rather than make it separate into strands, and this product has done just that. Alright, there you have it. This has been the Grand Classics Satin Clay, and definitely big thanks to the Grand Classics Grooming Company for sending this out. I definitely really enjoy the product, and I definitely plan to use it more often, especially with the winter months coming. I feel like it's going to be a really awesome product that's really going to hold everything in place through the harsh winter weather. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe. Definitely really helps me out, not for any sort of monetary reasons, just because I like, you know, knowing that people enjoy watching me be a goof on screen, and yeah, feel free to do that. Hope you enjoy watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.